This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. See, first what we are going to discuss about SQL. See, MySQL or PL SQL or SQL Server or Oracle 11G. See, this any SQL, at least we need basic 50% of knowledge. We need at least minimum 50% of knowledge. At least basic queries, how to write queries, how to write sub queries, how to write windowing functions. All we need to require for to understanding. See, this is completely we are going to work behind of the backend. Complete backend we are going to work. Complete database side. Okay. Front end application, whatever they are going to request the some application. So everything will get stored into database. Just actually very well. See, what is the database? Did you heard about this? Hey guys, did you know what is the sequel before anyone knows? Yeah, my board is not working. Oh, did it? See, we have some authentication. We are sending the web application, right? See, web application we are using front end application. Okay. See this front end application. Whenever we are connecting through front end application, right? So we are entering some details. We are entering some detail. So it where it's need to get stored, it's need to get stored into the database. Each and everything it will get stored into the database. Am I right? So whenever it's need to get stored into database, at least it should require some authentication. Whether we are passing our details whether it's correct or not, just it will give the authentication.
Hola,
Authentication.
hola.
Authentication. So when I'm trying to pass our road username password, just it will go on trying to communicate authentication, then it will communicating to the database. See, it will go on check database. Okay.
New అర్థం కాదు బాగుంటుందా వచ్చి చెప్పే మాట నాకు అర్థం అవుతుందా
స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ క్లాస్ కి ఎట్లా చేస్తారు స్టార్టింగ్
క్లియర్గా నేనే చెప్తాను నీట్గా నీట్గా నేను చెప్తాను నేను
Satish, Satish, can you mute it yourself?
బ్యాంగ్లూర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం బ్యాంగ్లూర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు
Satish, can you mute?
మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఇంగ్లీష్ వీడికి వచ్చి కొంచెం స్లో అయిపోయినాను కానీ బాగా వస్తుంది నేనే బాగా చెప్తా ఉన్నాను అదే ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచిస్తాను నేను మిస్టేక్ చేసిన కొంచెం లైట్గా అన్నం వేస్తుంది బయలుదేరి
Yes, sorry, guys. See, we are now passing our credential. It will go and check with internally in database. See, whenever if it want to store something data into somewhere, so they should require database. Whatever it's going to store and we are going to process is backend data completely. We are going to work backend application. This is database application. Our role is data engineer, analyst.
నేను
After this data engineer and data analyst, then next step is data scientist. You know, right?
అదే కదా సతీష్
Data scientist. artificial intelligence,
You check with it.
machine learning, deep learning. Did you hear about this? This is our next step only. Data engineer, next step is data scientist. Okay, we are nearing in data scientist only. See, so few of the guys maybe they can get data science projects as well. No worry. So just we will talk about ESQL. See this. What is the SQL? What? Why we need this SQL?
Structure Korean language.
Okay. Good.
Am I audible,
Even.
Yuvraj?
Yeah, yeah. What is SQL?
It's a relational
Structure Korean
database.
language.
Am
Okay.
I
What is
audible,
the
Yuvraj?
purpose? Why we need this?
Yuvraj, am I audible?
To organize large amount of data.
Very good, Rohit. Very good. Very good. See, large
Hello?
amount, small applications, back-end application data, and middleware and back-end data, all we can try to store data into SQL. This is completely RDBMS. RDBMS means
Relational
Relational
database
database
management
base
system.
management system.
very good. Relational database management system. Okay. What is SQL is standard language of dealing with relational databases, structure query languages. See, whenever we are selecting some query, just what we are going to perform, everything will be treating RDPMS query. Just what are all we are going to cover? See, did you heard about anyone just been done this? How to create tables, how to write queries? Anyone have idea? See, nowadays is most trending in the SQL. See, without knowledge SQL, there is no any application, even web application, mobile application, or backend application, or web development applications, IoT, whatever you go, wherever you go. So, basic knowledge must required for the you developing the any application. But we are going to work in completely backend application, right? So we should get the knowledge, minimum basic knowledge we should require. We should require minimum basic knowledge. See, what is the database?
To store the data.
Very good. See, database is a separate application that store a collection of data. Separate application store a collection of data. Each database have one or more distribute APIs for creating, accessing, managing, searching, and replicating the data in whole. See, whenever we want to store data, it should require like adding, searching, and replicating and managing. This should require, right? If you want to data, why it's replication? Why it's managing? Managing is the security for that. Replicating means achieve the fault tolerance. Achieve the fault tolerance. See, just we can this data store can also be used, such as file on the file system or large has stable is memory, but data fetching and writing not be so fast easy with those types of systems. Those types of system we can't process with these files and creating files and storing into database. In our relational database or MySQL or PL/SQL or Oracle, happily we can store data. See, RDBMS terminology what? RDBMS terminology. Database, it should require. See, before we proceed to explain the MySQL, so just database system, let us revise few delimiter related to database. Okay, first one is database, second one is table, third one is column, fourth one is row, and fifth one is redundancy. Just we can take more on this primary key. Seventh one is foreign key, primary key, foreign key, index. Ninth one, okay, that's more enough. Okay, that's more enough. See, MySQL database is just we can come to the MySQL. See, MySQL is a fast, easy to use RDBMS being used for many small and big businesses application data. MySQL we can talk about. MySQL is a fast, easy to use. Use RDBMS being used for many small and big business application. Okay. See, MySQL is developed, marketed, and supported by the MySQL AB. They have MySQL Foundation, which company MySQL is becoming a so popular because of many good reasons. Okay, MySQL is released under the open source license, so you have nothing about pay to use. Okay, open source some limitations. Okay, we cannot store this in some terabytes of data. Okay, just we have some GBs of data we can store for using. Okay, this is open source. MySQL is very powerful program. It's a own right. It's handle a large subset of functionality of most expensive powerful database package. We can use our own APIs. APIs means did you heard about programming? Any Java or Scala or Python, PHP? Yes, we can communicate to the MySQL. Okay. See, MySQL uses on many uses of stand from the well-known SQL data language. Well done. Standard from the NDAR standard. Okay. SQL database. Okay. Then see MySQL is very quickly. See, MySQL works on many operating systems with many languages including PHP, REFL, C, C++, Java, Python, and this is many languages together we can communicate this. Okay, that's more enough, guys. Just we can go on how to it will work internally. Okay, we'll talk about that. If anyone is not clear, just you will get more clarity on that. This is the mostly This is the mostly work with together with relational databases. Structured data we can store into the our MySQL DB. Okay, MySQL is the database. Is structure query languages we are going to store data into MySQL. This is completely RDBMS database relational database management systems. It will work with front-end applications, back-end applications as well back-end and middleware, mobile application, all whatever data we are going to store, just everything we can configure using external connectivity between the connectivity. Then can we go for architecture? How it will get work? Can we see? Can we go for guys? Does anyone have any questions so far?
We can go for architecture.
Okay. This is our application. Okay. Then we can take the client. We can take client. This is the connection details we can take. Connection details we can take, and as well we can connect through connection thread pool we can take between the client and connections. Then we can take query cache. Then it will come to the parser table cache, then query cache, storage layers, optimizer, keys control this. We can take database. Finally, we have database we can take. Data storage. Can we take this is plugin. Plugin we can take, see here. First one is connections. Connectors we can take. ODBC. Did you all about ODBC? ADBC. Net. .NET. That is we can call .NET. Okay. .NET, PHP. We can connect through these applications. We can and so on. Then we will have the connection threadful. We will have the connection threadful. Thread hand. Thread hand. This is we can take query catchy. Query catchy. This is we can parser. Did you heard about what is parser? Anyone have any idea? Table metadata. Table metadata catchy. Yes, I would like to take here storage engine buffer. Okay. Storage engine buffer. Optimizer. Optimizer key catch. Key catching. Yes, we can talk about. This is data storage engine. Storage engine. We can take connections. Mhm. Where is down we need to get the connections. So this is connections. This is connections we can take between the our client. Client means what? Do you know, guys? What is the client? Whatever request is sending from the customer, right? So that is client. That is we can call client. Okay. Then it will come to the connection pool. It will come to this, and it will cursor will come to the query catchy, and it will mediate it between this. Then it will once we query parser will done, then it will come to the optimizer. Do you know what is optimizer? Do you know, guys, what is optimizer? Then this optimizer will come to the data storage. Data storage. This is most commonly using these databases. Okay. database engines. So just we can talk about, see, whenever client has been sent request from here, whenever client has been request sent from here, this it will come to the connection port. This it will come to the connection port. Once you send request, then it will come to the connection pole. Because the connection pole will just, it will be, see what are all connections it will take. Connectors, ODBC, JDBC, just external jars required for communication to the our outside applications, our web applications, our backend application. So if we want to communicating with our Hadoop, MySQL, or Spark to MySQL, there should require OJDBC. OJDBC jar is required for communicating between the our database to MySQL. Then only it will establish the connections between MySQL to our database application or Spark application. Okay, so there will use OJDBC. And if you want to communicate directly through MySQL to Spark application, OJDBC, AWS. If you want to communicate AWS to MySQL, there AWS jar we can use. Okay, connector MySQL hyphen AWS jar. So there are different jar. That is the dependency jars, third party dependencies. Once we bring that libraries, bring that jars, then only we can communicate to these applications. Then only we can get communication. Once our connections has been established, then it will go on connect to the our, this is the client, this is complete server, this is complete server, this is client first one, this is complete server. This is server completely. Once we establish this connection, then it will come and it will establish the connections. It will give the like message if you are now trying to your connections has been successfully completed. Then once you lost these connections, then it will come to the query parser. It will come to the query parser. What query parser will do? Which is request from the client, just it will be check whether syntaxes is correct or not. Whichever it's get request from the customer client, just whether syntaxes is correct or not. Syntaxes means whether we are passing query is everything syntax is exactly same which has been expected, the MySQL syntax, is it correct or not, it will check. Is there any error, just it will throw error. If anything, everything, every code, whatever whichever got query from client, if exact match with our database rules and regulations, then it will come to the query optimizer. Query optimizer. This query optimizer, once we done that syntax is correct, right, then it will come to the optimizer. This optimizer will optimizing the data. It will launch the one application, then it will be establishing the multiple threads to executing data. It will give the better performance, it will improve the performance using optimizer. See, once we run this query, just that query will catch into query cache. If once we get data into metadata table, metadata will get stored into cache. Optimizer means storage engine buffer. It will take key cache as well. Key cache as well. Once we done this performance of improvement our query, then data will get stored into basically our data storage engine. Data storage engine. This is the flow of internally SQL will do the internal flow of execution will happen under the MySQL. Clear everyone? Guys, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, if you're not clear, please let me know, and I will try to revise. Okay. Don't be silent. Related DBMS, relational DBMS. Okay. Try to speak, guys. No questions. Good. See, while wind up this session, I will raise the questions randomly whom I am going to ask. Just try to put hard work and try to learn. Okay. If you don't have time to put effort on this, place initially only you can drop. This we are not looking this course for uh, our being poverty of the being confident. See, while you are going to enter into the organization, see, somehow someone have the experience, someone might not have experience, but they should learn. If it's experienced people, they are working in different technology, they're like they're trying to learn in PySpark. AWS means this is the very difficult to manage, very difficult to manage. So even experienced people also, they should put hard work. Okay. So try to learn. No worry, I will share this recording. Okay. Whomever having in this session. Oh, Girish Kumar as well. Girish Kumar, are you able to attend?
Yes, sir. I'm starting. I'm
Okay,
attending the class, sir.
okay, okay, okay. While wind up this session, just I will collect the email IDs, guys, for everyone. Okay, Venkatesh Vamsi, Sunil. Okay, 5 minutes. Oh, 21. Okay, just okay. Go ahead, go ahead. Someone ping. Okay, this is private. Okay, see, once again I will try to revise, guys. Okay, see, this is the plugins. Plugins means connection. So whenever connections is established, whenever trying to request from the client, whenever client has been request some data to processing here, so it will go on communicating to the connections. Whether we are passing or PHP, Java or Python, some application, just it will go on communicating to the connectors. Once connectors will available, then it will come to the connections. Once connection is successful with our client and the server, then it will give the established message like connection successful. Once the connection is successful, it should start the execution engine. It will start the server execution engine. Whatever query we are requesting, just it will go and communicate to the parser. Parser responsibility to do whether it's got query syntax exactly correct or not. It will check with parser, then it will in case of any, in case of any parser, any syntaxes will have issue, just it will be throw error. Parser will throw error. I will show you that physically how it will throw. Okay. Then query catchy means whatever is, for example, I'm passing select start from table name. So once we done this, just the table query information it will keep here. That query information it will keep here, and table metadata will keep it here. Okay, then it will come to the optimizer. Optimizer is the optimizing data whichever need to do improve the performance of the query, then optimizer will get invoked and it will improve the more better performance with query. It will launch the initially one thread, then it will go and launch more connections and more threads for parallelly running execution. Okay, once we done the storage buffer, whatever storages it will get buffering here. Okay, this is the key cache. Whatever key related information time travels, it will get stored into key cache. Once we done this all process, then physically data will get stored into data storage engine or MySQL or PL SQL, just any SQL data our storage layer. Clear? Does anyone have any question?
I'm good, Yuvraj.
Okay, Chavan. See, you have connected through laptop or guy? Jayan?
Yeah, I have connected laptop itself.
Okay. See, you have well speed internet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I will give you the presenter for you. Okay.
Okay.
Make presenter. Just share screen. We will install MySQL. Very good. Go on Google. Just type MySQL install. MySQL download. Oh, you are connecting through WhatsApp. It's not required. Just go next. Yeah, MySQL download. Yeah, go first one. No problem. Go first one. No, no, no. First one. First one. First one. Yes, downloads. Yeah, first one go. Yeah, you click on that. Come down. Come down. Come down. Come down. Wait. Come down. Come down. Come down. That's it, right? Go up. Little bit. Little bit up. Yeah, MySQL community. Just click on this. GPL download. Yes. Wait. 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 Wait.
I
Here.
was on mute.
MySQL Workbench, MySQL install for Windows. Come down. That's it.
That's all this. Yeah.
MySQL install for Windows. La2. Yes. Okay. Venkatesh, we will choose first one or second one?
First one only, Raj.
First one.
Yes.
Yes. No thanks. Just start download. Down. Yes. No. Oh, that's that exactly. Click on that. Yes. Wait. It's getting loaded, right? Yeah.
Actually, this is my obvious laptop. It is asking admin.
Oh, your office laptop, you should say before this. It should require permissions, admin permissions.
Yeah.
Whomever other connected, you should say before Raven. Good. Okay, whomever
Yes.
connected with others, anyone
I have a
connected?
laptop, sir.
Can you
Pushpa.
have laptop? Pushpa,
Yeah.
yeah. You can Javan, just you can stop sharing. Okay.
Okay.
I will give the Pushpa to Pushpa. You have network also well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make presenter. Oh, Kalappa Yengivi. Wait. Push. Yeah, you can share my screen share. Share screen. Their desktop option. Share screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, till here clear. Right? First one download. See, in office laptops, you don't have access, guys. Okay? There. Yeah, first one. Did you try to download? Yeah, download. Click on that.
This one only, sir. Windows 6.
Yes, yes, first one only. Yeah, come down. No thanks. Just start my download. Down. Yes. Before you did not install, right? Have you done installation? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Then go and down install it. Direct click on that, guys. We are using community edition. Okay. Hey, why is taking time?
So shall I give? Do you want to this one?
In browser, can you come back? In
Yes,
browser, can
once.
you come back?
So it's asking to change as do.
It's asking to.
Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices? I think it's installed already.
It is still a say. Please wait while Windows configure MySQL installer come. Mm-hmm. In
Shall I close
browser,
this
can
one,
you
sir?
come?
Help us.
In
Yeah.
browser, can you come?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Oh, what is it? Started execution, installation.
Oh, yeah, installation is done, sir.
In your mission already done.
Yeah. No, no, not just now. It's done.
Show me that. Can you set it to the MySQL in start box? Can you come back? Come back. One step. Come back. Oh, no, 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 no. Browser, come back. Yeah, start
Yes,
button.
sir.
This is start. Come start. In down left side. Yeah, you set it here MySQL. Did you get install or not? Type MySQL. Mhm.
So that is only when I click that one, it's asking for that allow this app to make changes to your device.
Okay.
Shall I give yes or no, sir?
Okay, okay, leave it then, leave it then. Come back, just in browser, come back, just one step
Yes,
back.
sir. Yeah.
I think I don't have permission to bring your control. Okay, come back, browser.
Yes, sir. Open the browser.
Just come back, just you go that symbol.
Which one, sir? Start one, huh?
Yes, can you go browser again? Can you go browser again? Open new tab, open new tab.
New tab.
Just click MySQL download. Just search in, yes, MySQL download, yes. Come back, yeah, that's I'm telling, yes. Now come back one step,
Oh, no, this one
that's it.
only is.
Just search it there in Google. Yes, you can Google it. MySQL download. Oh, that is Yahoo you are going. Okay, MySQL download. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, it's showing. Just Google it. First go to Google. Yes, that's good. Here you can search MySQL download. MySQL. No, not course. MySQL workbench. Or which one we are taking? MySQL download we have. Third one.
Workbench,
No, no,
sir.
no, 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 no. Third one. One, two, three. MySQL downloads.
Yeah.
Yes. MySQL workbench. Come down. Yeah, go. MySQL.
This one only, right? MySQL
Yes.
community number.
Yes.
Heroes, we can download MySQL workbench here.
Workbench. Yes. Good. Workbench downloaded. Law 3. 1, 2, 3. Last. MySQL workbench. In first. Where is the MySQL workbench? In law
From
3.
last to
No.
third one. From last
From
to
last
third
to
one.
third one. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just first one only. Just
No. Here. Come down.
Shall I download, sir?
Yes.
Yuvraj, am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
Am I audible, Yuvraj?
Yes, Dilip. I can able to hear you.
Yuvraj, if we just download the workbench, I don't think so
Yeah.
SQL
Already we
Server
downloaded.
will not be downloaded. So it will just download the integrated development environment. That workbench will be
Yeah.
downloaded, but we will not be able to execute the queries because we will not be having SQL Server in that. I think we need to download the SQL Server only. So then it will automatically
Workbench. We will
download.
have this. All will get.
We will
Yeah,
get
you can
everything.
install this, Pushpa. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go next. Here,
Thank you, Yuvraj.
connectors all will get. Wait. I will show you.
Yeah.
Next, go next. Install.
Same thing only, sir. It's asking to allow this app to make changes to your device.
Oh, this office laptop?
No, no, personal one.
What is no? You're not showing, right?
Hey, you can give it for that.
Yeah, given as.
Wait, 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 coming. You can give yes, right? Whenever it's
Yeah,
asking to
yeah, I given
admit.
actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's your personal. There is no issue.
Okay.
Go finish. Visual complete. Can you search here MySQL in search in start button?
Yeah,
Okay,
it is
okay. It's
coming.
getting down. It's getting open. Just you come down. Wait, wait, wait. Here, here. Come down. Come down. No, 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 no. Big it. Yes, maximize. Come down, down, down. Left side, left side. We have MySQL connected. It's asking any username password. Click on that. Click on that.
Hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
password is asking.
password. Do you know password?
No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We need to select actually custom there. I think we selected all right. Can you give root ROT?
Small only, right? Small letters.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Small one. Just okay.
Yeah.
By default, it will take. Let's see. No, no, no. Just you come back. One step you need to come back. It's got downloaded, right? Mhm. So there we should select the custom. Custom. You need to get uninstall this.
Shall I uninstall this one?
Yeah, yeah. You need to uninstall. There you we choose and complete, right? We should not choose that. We have
Okay.
to choose custom. I think it will get installed a lot of libraries. Only one. It has been installed.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, okay. Give okay. Yeah. It's not removed. Is there we need to select custom guys. So we they can complete, right? Okay. It's not removing.
Yeah, it's remote, sir.
Okay. Can you refresh once again?
removed, sir. Actually.
Okay, okay, come
Uninstalled.
down again. Again, come to installation. No, 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 no. Why you getting down? Already you have in download folder, right?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go next. Next. Wait, wait, slow,
Custom,
slow. No,
right?
no,
Yeah.
custom. Come custom. Yes. MySQL Workbench code program shortcut. Yeah. Hmm. It will show directly finish. But it's need to get ask username password. Mhm. Come open this. But it's need to ask for username password. Password is not asking me. Yeah, okay. Pushpa, just after session, we will
Hmm.
our students will connect and install. Just there before
Okay.
issue will ask create password. Create password. It will ask. Direct come to the whomever needed this. Just they will connect. Just say wait. Okay. Just wait. You can close. Pushpa,
Okay.
I will share you the.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
share. I will share. After whomever needing, just connect through. We will install for them. Okay. I will record that as well. I will share. But this class timing we will move. Okay, guys. Yeah. Just I will go my MySQL workbench. If you go and check it, just MySQL like this. This will be installed. What is it? Where is this? Uh, see, like it will come right. Whenever it's asking, just your connection attempt failed. Okay, see it will get open. It will get open query box. Okay, so this is we will install, guys, whomever needed. After this session we will connect. Okay, no worry. Already I have been installed, right? Just if I try to install, there is lot of libraries need to get installed. So it need to get uninstalled. See what error that. Last time it took long time for uninstalling. That's what time. Where is, guys, uninstall?
So in programs and features, sir.
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
In programs and features. Fourth column, sir. Fourth column.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, programs and features. Here see how many is need to get installed. MySQL installer 1, MySQL server 1, MySQL shell, MySQL workbench. These 4 needs to get installed. It will ask manually to select. Okay. This after 9 p.m. 9 a.m. we will get 9:30. Whomever needed, right? Pushpa and other guys will just connect and we will install. Okay. So as of now, I will try to go for this. So I will open new code editor. This is our new code editor. So what we try to do, how to create database, does anyone know? Once you open this, you will get server status, client connections, and user privileges, status and system variables, data export, data import. Just we can take import and export data from the our local machine. Okay, I need to database database name. I will take Raju underscore db. This is my database. Okay, can see how to run. Here you have run query, you have execute. You can click on this. Once you click this, here query catchy will have. What is create? Already exist. What is this? Error. Already exist. Why it's showing already exist? See, already have been created this db name. Already have been created db name. So this is the query parser. We can call query parser. Can we create CRAT create? Shall I try to run this? Shall I try to run this? What is showing? Check
Error.
the manual compression, syntax error. This is we can call query parser. Okay, query parser means whenever we have already we have been created, it will go and check, and is there any syntax issue? Yes, it will check and okay, then I can give Raja underscore db. Here, yes, I'm creating new database. What is again it's showing? Check manual syntax.
Create
You have
spelling syntax.
error SQL syntax. What? Sorry.
Create spelling, sir.
Create spelling. Whenever your syntax is not correct, then query parser will go and check this. Your query is incorrect. Then if you try to run, so it has been created, affected. This is the query catchy. So all queries will get stored into the C in action output. Okay. Clear, right? Does anyone have any question? So query parser, query optimizer means whenever we have used data processing, whenever it's getting delayed to process this, it will get launch multiple threads and data will get processed parallel. Then how to create table? See, in this database, whatever I need to check how many databases available. What is query? Show
Database.
database, show databases. That's it. Yes, you select that particular query and check how many databases we have. We have AmuluDB, information, MySQL, performance schema, RajaDB, RajuDB, SivaDB, and sys. Underscore test underscore DB, test underscore DB. I want to drop this database. How? I want to drop. Create database. Database name is clear. How many databases available in our database? What is the database? What is data? Can you someone? What is data?
Information.
Collection of information.
Collection of information. Very good. What is metadata? So database means just it will be managing the metadata as well, table information, whatever schema, the fields name and connection, our field name, schema name, everything it will maintain by the database. Okay. So data means collection of information put together into single entity. We can call data. Okay. What is metadata? Data about data, metadata. Okay. See how you can say, guys, how data is generating nowadays. You and me, you and me talking between us, data is generating or not? You and me, just data has been generating or not?
Yes, it's generating.
I am recording. Without data, without storage, is it possible to download? Is it possible to generate a recording?
No, sir.
No.
So this is one of the Google has been what is data? A Google interview. When I was one of my friend went for Google interview, they spoke about what is data. They told like collection of information, collection of table rows and columns we can put in single. He gave many definitions, but he has finally has replied, okay, whatever you have in replied answer is I'm okay with you. But see, just think, see what they are expecting, how you are thinking faster way. He gave simple answer. You and me talking between, we are generating the data. This is also we can call data. See, when I'm taking interview, when I'm listening, when I'm trying to see our screen, their recording will go. Right? See, when I'm taking into some other person, I need to start recording in future purpose, whether this guy correct person or not, which he gave for future reference. I need to forget some verification on him. Just we will take or bring that information and we will look it into that candidate information. Okay, so that is also should require database to store this all information. Okay, then I need to use Raju DB, Raju underscore DB. What are all tables available in this? How we can check? What are all tables available? I want to own store into particular database means you can use database name. Show tables. What are all tables available in this DB? Let's see what is A, B, C, employee data product. Okay. This all data has been available in ABE, even EMP, employee temp, employee product, Raju sales. This data will available in our database. Our Raju DB, this all table has been. Okay, see, if you want to drop this table, if you want drop database, drop first I will see drop database. Drop database data. The what is Raju underscore DB? Raja. Raja underscore DB. Okay. Can we look in this? It has been removed. Show databases. Can we go? Raja DB under available or not? No. It has been removed. It has been removed. Okay. Can we try to remove Shiva underscore DB? So it has been removed. Can we check? Show databases, can we check? So Shiva DB has been removed. Clear, right? How to create, how to drop database. So if we come to this is tables available. Show tables means whatever tables available in Raju underscore DB we have seen. So just I want to create table. I want create table. I want to create table. How we can create? Whenever we want to go for this, MySQL data types what are all available? Do you know? MySQL data types, guys, what are all we have? Okay, just let's talk about data types in MySQL. Okay, data types in MySQL. See, int means just we can store numerics. Okay, we can store integer values. Tiny int, means, do you know, any small integer that can signed or unsigned, it's signed the allow to range is 128 to 127. Allow to 128 to 127. Okay, small int, tiny int. Okay, next small int. Small int means small integer that can be sign it unsigned is sign it that allows to range is minus 32768. 32768 range it will get stored. Range it will get stored to plus 32767. 32767. Yes, medium int. Medium int we can it will get stored data 0 to 1677215. This is range it will get store values up to here. Okay, so big int it will store how many digits? 1 2 3 5 8 11 15, 13 15, overall 19 digits it will get stored. Overall 19 digits it will get stored. What is for this? Big int. Based on our requirement, just we can store the values. 22 54 77 580. 580. Same thing it will get stored. Same thing it will get stored. 807 plus 807. Okay. Float. Floating point numbers cannot be unsigned. This is right. Floating point numbers dot indication. Dot indication. Whenever we need to dot indication. Petrol price. Did you order about petrol price? It will go for every day. Paisa it will get just 100 rupees, 10 paisa, or 100 rupees 69 paisa, 100 rupees 50 paisa, right? So whenever dot indication, then we should go for the double, sorry, float. If you want to go for 64 bits of data, then we should go for the double. It will get store only 32 bit, 8 bytes 32 bit. This is sorry, 4 bytes 32 bit. This is 8 bytes 64 bit, 8 bytes 64 bit. Okay. And decimal, decimal values you can, so you can specify starting index and ending index. We have date format, date data type, date time data type, and timestamp, time, year. So this is all data types we can use. Even we can take char, varchar. We can use char. This is a string related. Char, varchar. See what char will do, varchar will do. Char will do fixed length string between 1 to 255 characters. Fixed length between 1 to 255 characters only we can store into char. 1 to 255. If we come to varchar, variable length string between 1 to 255 characters in length. For example, varchar 25, you must define length when creating a varchar define. Write padded with space to the specified length when sorted. See, this is the more guys. So we will use this data types, int and string data types. We will use char and varchar mostly. Char and varchar mostly. This data types. Don't confuse. Int is, it will take by default 4 bytes. It will take 4 bytes. 4 bytes, 32 bit. Tiny int means just it will take 1 byte. It will small int means it will take char 1 byte. In medium int means it will take 4 bytes. In means big int means 8 bytes it will take. Float it will take 4 bytes. Double 8 bytes it will take. 64 bit. Okay, just we'll see how to create table using this data type. I will create database new one. Create database Raja. Okay, I will use this database. I will take this. Okay, Raja underscore database. How to create table, guys? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Can you create table?
Create table.
Sorry,
Create
training.
table. Table name.
Create table name. Training. I will take table name. Name. Name care of. When we take 10, if you take 10, you should name within specify within 10 only. You should specify the characters. Okay, 10 id int name salary. Salary can we take double or float? Float. Then we can take what will take next column. This is creation table, guys. Yeah, enough this 3 columns. Okay. Just let's see how to execute this. Just select this and execute here. It has been wait, it has been chosen. It has been again. I will try to create. What is showing? This training already exists. Just we created, right? Again, if you try to run this query, if already exists, it will show exists. Already it has been resided. Again, if try to execute, it will throw error. It will throw error. Clear? I want to insert. I want to insert values. Insert into table. Insert into training values. Yuvraj, we can take ID is 101. We can take salary. So something I will take. Can you try to insert this record? Yes, it has been inserted. Whether this table has been inserted or not, we can take select star from training.
Training.
Whether data has been stored or not, this is the scanning the table. Select means just we can retrieval data from the table. So ID name is name, ID salary. Name, ID, salary. So just one row we have been inserted. One row we have been inserted. So this is a we can call about scanning the table. We can retrieval data using select statement. Select statement. We are retrieval data using select statement. We can use this data for retrieval. Okay. Can we insert one more? Can we take another row to Ranjit? I can take Ranjit row. We will try to insert. So we'll try to. I have inserted. Let's go. See, Yuvraj 101,000 and Ranjit 102, 2 lakhs is his salary. Okay, this way data will get maintained. This is where data will get maintained. Then, does anyone have any question, guys? Tomorrow I will take some big data set like our training data. Like we will take training data and try to analyze that data for entire MySQL. We can go for how to use where conditions, like operations, in operations, and operation, or operations, operators. Then we'll come to join condition, windowing functions. Okay, how to write inner query, sub query. Here it will take. If you want insert more columns, if you want insert more columns, just you can give and just we can take 3 lakhs, 103, Pushpa. Okay. can take this without Ranjit, we can take Rohan. If you want insert more column, just you can go this syntax and try to, okay. Just 5 rows we can try to insert. Okay, we have been inserted or not? Yes, query has been successful. Here, this is the query catchy. It will go on each query, it will get stored. Just select star from table. So data has been decided into name, ID, shared. These columns we have populated and we have been inserted data into our table. So just what we try to do, we will try to apply the where class. I need to select where our salary is equal to 105. This is select class. So filter the data. Select star from training where salary is equal 1 lakh people training. 1 lakh. Just try to print. See, Euros only we have 1 lakh salary people available in our table. We will take 5 lakh. Who having this 5 lakhs? I don't know, right? Just I need to get this data. So Kirti have 105 and 5 lakhs. Then see same thing. We can apply this same where condition. Select star from. This is the where class. If you want to filter particular data, you should go for where. Filter and where there is nothing different. Okay, both are same. Meaning where name is equal whenever Pushpa. Yes. So Pushpa has 3 lakhs and her ID is 103. You can whatever if you want to based on ID, based on salary, based on name, whatever column you want to try to pull data from, try to scan table, you can go directly using where condition and you can specify any column. Any column. Okay, then everyone is clear so far.
Yes.
How to create database, what is database, how to create database, how to drop database, how to create a table, how to drop table, how to insert the data into table, how to apply where condition. Clear everyone? Okay, I will drop this table. Okay, drop table name.
Training.
Table has been dropped. Wait, see this drop table name training. Okay, let's execute. I will try to select this table. Why showing table Raju does not exist? Training is does not exist. Why it's showing this error? Hey guys, why it
Will
throwing
drop.
error?
Because that table is already being dropped.
Table got deleted,
We do
sir.
not have any that table in the database.
Yes, trail already we removed. How it will get data retrieval? How it will get data? So that's what it will get. Table is does not exist. I have created table. Yes, I will try to execute again same code. We got data. Okay. Can you apply this too? So Pushpa, yes, you can try to execute revise this data. This data will table will get recreate and data will get stored. Okay. Just whenever you're trying to, if you're trying to apply same query again, what will happen? What will happen? Is throwing training table already exists. Training table already exists. If you're trying to insert query, what will happen? Guess guys, what will happen? It will throw error. It will throw error already same rows existed. Guys, it will throw error already same rows existed in table. Ayo,
Sir, it will enter, sir. It will give double, sir.
it will
Two
give
times
double,
data.
not duplicates, right? Are you
Duplicates.
sure it will give double?
Yes, sir.
What it will give?
It will duplicate the data, sir. That's
Okay. Okay, duplicate data it will get. So after this session, please bring laptop, go and have breakfast and come back. We have students, right? So offline we have students. They will connect and install MySQL for everyone. Okay, whomever need it. I will share the link again. You will join that bridge and they will help you to how to install. Okay, clear? So whenever you try to run in same insert command, it will go and get the duplicate data. It will go and get the duplicate data. See here, same rows has been inserted again. Same rows has been inserted again. Clear?
Yes,
It
you
will
are.
not throw any error. See how to filter one more. Select start from training in operation where RAINING training where salary in 1 lakh, correct, right? 2 lakhs. Just we'll try to filter these two in operation. How it will get execute, we'll see. We got 1 lakhs, 2 lakh salary. If whenever you want one or more filter conditions, then we should go for the in operation where salary is equal to I'm giving exact one condition. I don't want boss. I want to take salary in 1 lakh salary, 2 lakh salary, or 10 lakh and 10 rows also I need to get scanned. Then we should go for the in operation. In operation. Then if you want to go unconditioned, salary is equal to 1 lakh and name Ranjan. Can we try this? RANGITH. So we're showing empty. Instead of this, can we keep it or condition? Can we keep it or condition? It's giving the both. See, R condition, at least one condition, salary is equal to 1 lakh, or name is equal to Ranjit, at least it will get one condition which satisfy with our data, it will give. See, Yeshwant, I will give Yeshwant. Yeshwant. There is no any Yeshwant, right? We did not insert this record. We'll see. See, you are say 1 lakh salary it has been paid. See, whether these are those. If both will get satisfied, both will get paid. Our condition means at least one is satisfied, that is happily it will get execute query. Okay, if you both will not match, if both will not match, what it will do? What it will throw? Empty it will give. There is no, when I'm trying to scan this record, this both records is not available in our existing table. Clear everyone?
Clear, sir.
1 lakh and salary is equal to lakhs. This under condition is, it's not okay. Okay. Okay, it's giving empty. Giving empty with this, what is this condition meaning? Both should get satisfied. Both should get satisfied. A and B. Whenever both condition will should get satisfied, then only it will return values. Otherwise, it will give empty. Okay. Where name is equal, where name like, well, how we can apply like operation?
Percentage.
Is correct. Name like, yes. Like operation is correct or not?
Some modular symbol, sir.
Modulo symbol here.
Yes, sir.
That's right. No. How we can apply?
So we should remove dot, sir, afterwards.
Can we remove this? Are you
Dot.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where? Mm-hmm. Where name?
Sir, there is no letter with ending with Y, sir. If you keep the modular symbol after Y, sir.
Wait. Why we can give starting? This will come left side, right?
Yes, sir.
Training. See, it will Yuvraj is the starting letter. Yuvraj is the starting letter. Okay. Wait. What all name we'll try to print. See, this is our data. I need to end whatever H. End with H. Then can we try? See, Ranjit. You can give left hand modulo symbol. You will get end of the character, and if you get with right side, it will start from right. It will look on for initial index. Is there any H initially? No. Is there any P? Start from P?
Yuvraj, your voice is not audible. I think your system is stuck. I don't know it is only for me or for everyone.
Yeah, for me also it's not.
Okay, I think Yuvraj, your system is stuck. We are not able to hear anything, and we are not able to see anything in your screen.